Hi friends, this is Ravi Gondal signing in after a long time. So today my plan was not to shoot a video. But somehow I felt something that I want to share. So I am here going to talk about this thing. This is made of bamboo. You know the bamboo, the largest plant in the grass family. So this is made of bamboo, and these covers are used to protect the saplings from the animals and the other things, so that the sapling can grow for 2 and 3 years. So the artisans who made these kind of covers are very hard to locate, as in 2019, in the monsoon season 2019, I planted around 2000 trees, and for them the covers were made by an artisan. And artisans are very hard to locate these days, as this is a micro level industry, and in this the profit is not as par. So the thing is that now, after 1.5 years almost, I felt that some plants need the replacement and replacement of these covers. But for that thing, it was very hard to locate the artisans, and no one was willing to come to the location and do the desired work. So one reason for this was they are left in number very few in this time, and the other thing is that the people who knows how to make these things properly are in the age of 60 to 65, some are of 70s, and some are also 70 plus. So it is very hard to them to travel for the locations, and they are not also get very handsome rewards for this work. So thing is that sometimes it's very hard how to sort out the things. Although if you have the money, you can do anything, that's also okay. But if you want to do in a economical way, then it will be a little hard. So but I experienced that why this industry is going to vanish after year to year. One thing is that no government system provide them such a platform that they can sold their crafts made of bamboo at a large scale. So people do not choose this field to make such kind of things. So old generation is left to do the work. When I was a child, I remember that people comes to home and try and sell their products. Most of them were used to in the kitchen accessories, and nowadays you can see around the road there are a lot of bamboo products are sold. Those are decorative kind of products, only those kind of products. So in coming 5 to 10 years, in a decade, I think there will be no more artisans will be left. So how can we able to uplift those people? The one thing is that whenever we go to market and buy a plastic chair, instead of that plastic chair, buy a bamboo chair. Yeah, bamboo chair is little costly, but remember one thing is that it is also eco-friendly. You know, plastic is not eco-friendly product. So try to buy those products which are made of bamboo. Lot of artisans will be happy for that thing. So the thing is that now other thing is that the government needs to also pay some attention to these kind of artisans, so that in future they can have some kind of employment. Back then in 2019 I needed nearly about 2000 coverings for the plants, and it was a employment kind of employment, not the permanent employment but temporary employment for those persons, but I was not able to provide them a full contract. So I think that government needs to come in this sector, in this bamboo sector, in micro label industries, and they should give them orders to buy their furniture made of bamboo, so that their income becomes to a kind of as per par labels. So this is the concerning thing. And the other thing is that bamboo is very useful thing. If bamboo, when it is fully matured, a lot of things, a lot of products are made of bamboos, like musical instruments are made of bamboo, in plants, ideals in plants. So as a hobby, you can say, as I say, this is my hobby, so I find this thing very useful. So comment me in the section that how we can work in a more specific and more utilitarian way in this industry, so that more people will get the employment who knows the particular work, how to do the things. Okay, so next time what we can do, what the government can do, this is not in our hand, what the government can do, but what we can do, this is in our hand. But